Welcome to Kirk Websites, and this is our demonstration. In the beginning, our system is password protected. The main thing to remember is the arrows. This one is for the file updates, this one is for file lists, and this one is for company information. Clicking File Updates presents the green update icon column to the right of the Steadfast column. Clicking on Maintenance Insert presents a form with the cursor already set to the unit number. Enter number and the name is automatically inserted. Shorten entry time by selecting the problem and action taken from drop-down boxes. Clicking on Maintenance Update presents a Select Department box. Enter the unit number and the entries for that unit will appear for update. Update any record and click the Update box on that line. The Select Department box is still there at the bottom for further updates. Clicking Adds Trans Insert presents a form for inserting add-ons, transfers, or waiting list records. It includes 5 drop-downs with the most likely selections apparent. T in the entry type inserts records into the add-on trans file. Changing that to a W inserts the entries into a waiting list file. Clicking Waitlist Updates presents a Select Application box. Enter the unit number and the entry for that unit will appear for update. Update the record and click the Update box on that line. Clicking Miscellaneous Charge Update presents a Select Apartment box. Enter the unit number and the entry for that unit will appear for update. Update the record and click the Update box on that line. Clicking Cert Update presents a Select Apartment box. Enter the unit number and the entry for that unit will appear for update. Update the record and click the Update box on that line. Clicking Rent Payment presents a Select Apartment box. Enter the unit number and the record for that unit will appear for inserting rent payments into the record. When the amount paid is keyed in, the amount is added to previous amounts paid during the month. The date paid is automatically inserted, and if the payment is late and a late fee is charged, an L is inserted. So when looking at the payment report, one readily sees why the paid is in excess of the rent due. Clicking Pre-Rent Update presents a Select Department box. Enter the unit number and the record for that unit will appear for updating the payment. Enter the data and click Update Record. Clicking Pre-Rent Add at the end of the month adds the current month's payment record to the pre-rent history file. Clicking Late Pay Insert at the end of the month will add the records of late payments to the late payments history file. Clicking Refresh Pre-Rent at the end of the month will clear all tenant records of all but the name, unit number, and monthly rent due if the amount due equals the amount paid or if the difference is the late charge. If the payment in full is not made, a late charge is added to the late charge field and the amount left to be paid is added to the previous balance field. The blue left-hand column of link icons is always visible and can always use it to return to anything in the website. It contains links to all company information, report programs, as well as the database files. Clicking Information presents the blue Information icon column, which by clicking any of these, one can easily see needed daily information. Clicking the Maintenance Log icon will present the maintenance history. Notice the W in the upper center. This indicates need to change printer settings to landscape if printing. Clicking the current maintenance will present a select month box. Enter in the month and year of interest and that month's maintenance activities will appear. Clicking late history will present a late payments history. Clicking pre-rent history will present payments history. Clicking the pre-rent report will present the payment report. It includes miscellaneous charges owed, so one can easily keep track of these. Clicking print receipt will present a select department box. Enter the unit number and that receipt will appear with the automatically incremented receipt number, date paid, and month of receipt. Clicking general receipt will present a receipt with an automatically incremented receipt number, date of receipt, and a drop-down box for one of several purposes, or one can enter any other purpose. Clicking Cert Log will present a certification report which will allow one to easily keep track of recertification events. Clicking Waitlist will present the waiting list report. Clicking Display as Trans will present in-house transfers and add-on reports. Clicking Miscellaneous Charge Report will present a report of the miscellaneous charges owed. And clicking the Select Miscellaneous Charge will present a Select Department box. Enter the unit number to see if there is any miscellaneous charges owed by this tenant. That is the end of our demonstration, and thank you for watching.